morning. I am in. I'm going to tell you a little about my life here. Good morning, Luna.
Good morning, Ian. You have one new message from Lily Anderson. Things to do for today. Controls of capsule cacti. Reporting of data. Meeting at 5 o'clock in the Great Hall.
I was totally forgetting. Thank you, Luna.
You're welcome, Ian. Take care of yourself.
This is how my day starts. Let's look at Lily's message first. Okay, now let's find my mom. I need to get the report from her. Mom! She's not here. Here we have the daily pills. We get food and water from pills. Mom, Dad, where are you? They are not here either. Anyway, let me do my work. Here, we examine the functions of cacti. What's happening? What's the sound?